All right, this one is definitely unique of how we have to install this. And what I mean, he's running all the wire for me. That's because all this is good 6-8 inches even all the way under his RV, and he volunteered to run all the wire down for me. Pole down there where he's going to be, and then we're going to go right under that little stick out right there. We're going to punch a hole right there and stick it up there and put it all behind there. I told him I can take my shoes off and walk through the water, but he said no. Now he's over there getting ready to spray because there's a big old nest over there. I don't know if it's WISP or what, but it didn't take him long to come out of the water. If he moved any faster, he'd be walking on water. Well, running on water. But he's spraying them down. And then he'll finish running the wire. Then I'll go around that way because there's no way to go around here. Because even if I went around this way, I still have to go through the water to get to that 4x4 that's on the other side of that gas tank over there. So I'm gonna go around the other way to get to it. Mount it, put an end on it, put some zip ties on it and be ready to go. Okay, we got this one. See here. Yeah, got this one mounted. I'm pointing in the direction I'm thinking that's going to be because I got one on this RV here and it's pointing right through that tree, so I'm thinking on the right side of that tree a little bit should be just about right. I'll line it up when I get power to it. But we got this one mounted now. I got to do is put in the screws, tighten them down, and get inside because we got a big storm coming. Anything like for the last 3 or 4 days. I don't want to be outside. And it's crazy. It's come up all of a sudden. Get outside.